Hello everyone, my name is Cristian Nigulescu, and you know me for the Salesforce activities from UiPath Go. How to control Salesforce from UiPath. Today we'll talk about something very interesting. How to start the process from Salesforce, how to start the UiPath robot from Salesforce. So, remember that some weeks ago, I created a video and show you how to start a new UiPath robot from REST API comments. And I send on all the REST API comments from the Postman. We will try today to send these comments from Salesforce to understand how you can send the comments from Salesforce to start a new UiPath robot. Yeah? So, in Salesforce, you need to go first to setup. You write profiles, and the profiles you need to check on your user if you have API enabled. Then, in setup, you will search for remote, and on the remote settings, the site settings, you need to add the two sites that will access. So account UiPath.com and platform UiPath.com. Here, instead of platform UiPath.com, could be your orchestrator if you have an on-prem orchestrator. Yeah. Then, from the Salesforce, you will go here on setup, and you will see developer console. This will open the development console where you are able to write an Apex code. So you will hit new, and you write an Apex class, and then we write an Apex trigger. On this Apex class, I will put it on the internet. You have basically all the codes that we send from Postman from other videos. So I can go here, execute. I will execute my process. This is I need to put 2 parameters because you'll see we'll send also parameter, and I will hit execute. So the system will execute my procedure from here, and you will see that the command will go to the orchestrator. Here I have also some debugs. I see the response, and on the orchestrator here, remember that I have 2 processes if you follow the other movie. Now I have the processes on the remote, on the unattended robot. So you will see here on the log. So I have this process that we executed a few seconds ago. You will see here on the logs that I have hello start from the orchestrator. Yeah, hello robot start from the orchestrator. So the orchestrator received the message, and after receive the message, he start this process, and you see on the log. Now, let's see how we can do this on a trigger. So on the developer console, we will create here. I already have created, but you go new and you say Apex trigger. Again, I will give you the code for this. I will select my trigger and I will say I have an opportunity trigger. So I will say on this opportunity trigger that on update, after an update or after an insert, the system should look on the opportunities. We'll check if the opportunity stage now, so it's changed to close 1, and if it's changed to close 1, we will start our procedure, our process, and we call the procedure, and on the procedure will pass the name of the opportunity and the description of the opportunity. Yeah. So what we'll do to modify this one, we'll say, okay, you need to put this future call out true. You will put a timeout for the comments. We'll send the JSON with parameters. Yeah. So I have a normal JSON. I have a JSON with parameters. Again, I will put everything on the internet with this one. So here I have called the process with the parameters. Again, you need to watch the other movie to understand how you get the release key and so on. So I hit save on this one. It's saved. And now we'll go back to the Salesforce. And on the Salesforce, on the opportunities, we will go on opportunity, hit edit, and we'll change the stage. Yeah. So instead of decision, I will change it to close on. The system change and the system trigger our procedure, and the procedure will send a command to the orchestrator, and the orchestrator will start the process with the opportunity name and the opportunity description. Let's see if the command receives, you see, message with parameters, send it a few seconds ago, and here, if we take a look on the logs, you see that I have hello, parameter 1, Grand Hotel Chicken, the description of the parameter to the description of the hotel. If we take a look on the Salesforce, you'll see here that this is my description and this is the name of the opportunity. Yeah. So in this way, I was able to call a robot from Salesforce, and you are also I was able also to pass parameters to this robot. Thank you very much for watching, and remember, follow me on the YouTube on Cristian Negulescu, and you find here a lot of videos for Salesforce, ServiceNow, Zendesk, and other connectors that I implement. Have a good one, be safe.